guys, it's me, Summer Lee from Girl Gaming 1011, and today let's play Will You Press the Button? Oh, oops, I already accidentally pressed it. So let's play. It's basically a Would You Rather game. So you become a Jedi, Force lightsaber and master included. Excuse me. Your home village gets raided by stormtroopers and both your parents die. No. I will not press it. Good, I guess. You're afraid of nothing. Your lack of fear can put you in life-threatening situations and you will act carelessly. I honestly do not know. I'm going to actually say yes. You can remote control any machine using your cell phone. That'd be cool. It only has 20 minutes battery life. So you can recharge it. I'm actually going to do that, yeah. 60% of people press the button. You learn why kids love the taste of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. You can never tell anybody. No. Everybody on Earth is under your control. Everybody on the Earth is under your control. You watch your parents being killed. I will not. 35% of people press the button. You can legalize marijuana, but you can't ingest it. That's gonna happen in Canada anyway, so honestly, I'm just gonna say no. Good idea. You'll get the perfect PC function and connection. What? Function? That's not even in there. You'll get the perfect PC and connection. Can't go on porn. I don't do that anyway. So I'm gonna say I will not. Meant to say I will. But you get the right. You receive infinite. You receive infinite wisdom, but you lose all ability to communicate with other human beings in any way. No. Just 26% of people pressed it. Morgan Freeman will commemorate your life. You have to watch 2 episodes of The Big Bang Theory every day until you die. I watch that show anyway. You have unparalleled mental abilities far beyond the limits of the human brain. The drain on your body will leave you paralyzed. No, no. That's good, I guess. 33% of people press the button. You can join any band you want. There's a couple in mind. But you have to kick out the member you'll replace. I can work with that. Yeah, 59% of people did. You can't eat. Oh, definitely. You can't eat human food. You can talk to animals and Did I press yes? You can talk to animals and transform into a desired animal for as long as you. Yeah, sure. You have to never pay for food again, but you always have to eat at Subway. So like once daily or always. No, I will not do that. Subway. Quiznos. Well, I guess they're both good, but good, I guess. become immortal, you will witness the death of every single person you meet. I don't even want to be immortal. No, I won't. That's good again. You know the purpose of life and have godlike intelligence. You cannot prove your knowledge and you are labeled a third. No, I will not do that. 60% of people press the button. You're able to change the future. Every time you choose something to happen, the opposite occurs. Someone you know. That's a hard one. Like, let's say you wanted to get married to someone in the future. And you know them now. What would happen next? I don't know. I'm gonna say yes. 48% of people do. Everyone on Earth gets superpowers. They range from the common to the expected ones to exotic and unheard of. Nobody has overpowered, although powers can be improved through intense training. Okay. Hitler, Satan, and Mayo, I don't know how to pronounce that, have come back to life and they have multiple powers and are to kill you and everyone will love. I will not do that. People can live the way they are. You're able to travel the world and be everything you ever wanted to be, and have everything you ever wanted. You have to leave behind your family, friends, significant others. Wait, but everything you ever wanted, wouldn't that be your family, friends, significant others? These things, right? No. Stupid. You are... You become insanely good at writing music, but become deaf. Sure. Good enough. You get whatever you want. You get whatever you style mouth wants. You must permanently break your left leg. Okay, does that mean like it's broken once and then it can't be healed, or like broken? Oh, it's healed. Break it again. I'm gonna say no. You can have the superpower of your choice. Everybody tries to kill you. No. You can have... Alright. Gain the ability to have 9 lives. You die a lot easier than you normally would. I'm gonna say yes because I can just run. 47% of people have pressed the button. You can live forever. You will be homeless. I don't want to live forever, so I'll be. Good. You meet Santa Claus, but no one believes. No, I'm not like Santa Claus. Anything like the mall. Anything like the mall Santas, I want to move. Anywhere else. You take the pill that makes you 150% smarter. Everybody thinks you're retarded. That doesn't even make sense. I don't know. I'm gonna say no. YouTube goes back to its original layout. Your favorite YouTube channel is shut down. I don't like the layout. Everything you ever want is free for you. You have to live in a college dorm for the rest of the year. college. No, it just says live in college, yeah. What? 72% of people who play this are smart. You gain the ability to teleport. You can never bring clothes to your destination. But can I ask someone to be waiting there with clothes? I'm gonna say wait. I'm gonna say no, because then I'll be arrested for public use. No. You have gained superpowers. That give you the ability to tell time. Really? Well, I think I know how to tell time, and I can tell you that it is 7:11 where I am right now. But that, no. I can tell time already. Wait, did I miss something? 70% of people pressed yes. They give you the ability to tell time. Am I missing something there? Let me know in the comments if I am. But, yeah, oh no, I missed something. 3 Steam games, so 3 never exist. I won't know. Last one. You can have sex with any person you want anytime. They won't enjoy it, and when you're not having sex, your life will feel rewarding. No. That was the last one. So that's basically it for this episode. And please like and subscribe, it means a lot. And excuse me. And comment down below what you thought and what you want me to play next. So see you next time. Bye.